tea bags, not just for making tea. Hello my friends and welcome back. I decided to try something today. It's probably not going to work because of my my track record with trying things and them actually working, but we're going to try it anyway because I'm feeling adventurous today. So I was thinking that a lot of people use coasters, yes, to put their coffee cups on, but also their teacups, you know? So I want to try putting a bag of tea in a coaster. I'm hoping it'll work and look really cool. One way that I'm going to achieve that is by sealing the tea bags first before putting them in there. So that way I'm hoping the, I'm hoping that the tea won't stain the resin. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm totally sponsored by Lipton, by the way, which is why I'm using, no, I'm not, actually. These are just the ones we had. So, I'm thinking of doing like a layer of resin and then laying it in there like that, maybe. I feel like this light over here is too bright. Let's turn that one down a little bit. Oh, that's better. Okay. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm going to go ahead and seal these off camera. Mix up my resin, pour it in. You'll get to see all of that. It's my usual. And I haven't decided yet if I'm doing a 2-layer coaster yet. So like just a little bit in there to kind of seal this in so it doesn't float, if you know what I mean. But we'll cross that railroad when we get there, so keep on watching. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. taking off my mask just now, so much better smelling. This does not smell nearly as bad as the resin that I used on the last video. I don't know if it's that particular type of resin, perhaps. This one is just a little bit stronger than the typical resin that I use. But yeah, it doesn't smell bad at all. So, that aside, I've got the first layer in with the tea bags. I'm gonna let this set up for about 5-6 hours. I'm gonna come back down and do the second layer. Now I need to decide if I want to do a clear layer or if I want to add a color backing to it. I'm really not sure what to do. But I think what I'm gonna do is just let this set up, see how this clear resin does with the tea bags, you know, make sure there's no discoloration. I'm not seeing like much of anything happening, but that can change. So we'll come back in 5 hours, see how it goes, and take it from there. So stick around. All right, these are all cured up. Ooh, I'm so excited. I actually waited a whole day. I don't know. For some reason, I find it hard to get back down here a few hours later. There's always something else that needs to be done. But anyway, look. So it didn't, like, the sealant worked, basically, I think. The tea did not stain the resin or anything like that. And I had a thought. For this second layer, I'm actually going to be adding my own tea stain with some brown alcohol ink. And I think how I'm going to do that is by taking just a few little scoops of resin, putting it in here, dyeing it brown, pouring the rest of the resin in once I mix it up, and then just kind of drizzling this in there as if it's, you know, the tea spreading places. We'll see if it works, but I really like this idea, and I'm super stoked that this has worked so far. So let me go ahead and mix up my resin. I got it over by the heater warming up. Get that all poured in. I'll do my tea. I'll spill the tea, as it were, and yeah, hang tight. Alright guys, so these are all done. I think they look okay. I'm gonna sit here for a few minutes and pop some bubbles with my wonderful heat gun here. Stick around for the unmolding. Alright friends, these are all nice and cured. Oh, I'm so excited. They look really, really good. So this is the back. So let's unmold these. Sorry if you can hear our cat Jet in the background. He's a flopper and he loves the concrete floors down here, so he likes to flaps on them. So there you go. Very cool. And I think what I ended up doing was taking, what did I do with it? Oh, there it is. I took, after I finished filming, I realized that there just wasn't a whole lot of the brown in there. So I ended up taking some of this, putting it on my silicone mat, and using my little stir stick and kind of like stirring it into it just to kind of give more brown to it. So hopefully you guys can see what I mean with the brown. But yeah, I really like these. Another one. Okay. I think they turned out fantastic. Very cool. Oh, I got a bubbles. That's okay. Don't mind the bubbles. I think they kind of fit with a tea-themed coaster. What are you getting into, Jet? I don't know. He's running around here somewhere. Anyway, thank you guys so very much for watching. Is there anything that you would like to see me put in resin that people don't typically do? Because I definitely want to try that. I got some coffee beans that I'm going to put into some coasters. These are fake, obviously. I believe these are actually resin. I believe they're made out of resin, which is kind of cool. So these are from Cat Scrappiness, so I'm going to be putting these into some resin here soon. Because I made tea ones, now I need to make coffee ones. Anyway, thank you guys again so much for watching. Do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button. Hopefully you can find it. And if you're new here, please subscribe. Comment down below. Tell me what you want me to put in resin next. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.